Hello fam, welcome back to my kitchen. We're going to be making this yummy green chicken pasta today. So if you don't want to miss out, please keep on watching this video. It's very simple and short, trust me. So guys, we are going to be starting with her chicken and I have all the ingredients listed out. Just please watch and see. I have ginger, garlic, chili, black pepper, salt, some seasoning and some cooking oil. Everything is to your taste. I can't tell you to use this quantity or not. So after you've done all that, you're going to be mixing it properly. Use whatever you can mix it. You can use a spoon, you can use a glove, you can use your hands if you so wish, but just mix it properly, making sure that all the spice is well mixed with your chicken. I'm going to be marinating it briefly for about 15 minutes before I now try to put them out and put them in the oven. I'll be oven baking this for at least 15 minutes. So guys, after marinating, I'll just cook it a bit for about 10 to 15 minutes. And now is the time to make our spaghetti. I have some hot water which has boiled already, and I just like doing it this way. And I'm going to be breaking my spaghetti. On a normal day, I don't break it if it's for adults, but because I'm cooking for children for this particular pasta, I broke it. So it is optional for you to break or not to break. I'm adding some salt and some oil, and I'm going to cook it almost half done, almost done, like 90% all the way, not until when it is gummy and all that. Nah, it should still be separate. So this is the next part. I'm now going to be making my major sauce for this spaghetti. I'm adding some onions and I'm going to be cooking this, and I'll allow it to caramelize. Like I said, it depends on your preference. If you don't want it to caramelize completely, you can just go along with all the processes. But you know, the way it is with food, we all have our preferences. The people I'm cooking for don't really like onions, so I cook it almost all the way. I don't allow it to still be crunchy. But if you like yours crunchy, you don't need to wait for this. Just add everything almost all together. So I'm adding some green bell pepper or some capsicum at this point. This is the major green thing I'm using for this spaghetti, and I like it so much. My kids love it so much when I use green pepper. I'm adding some seasoning cubes, some thyme. I'll be adding some garlic, some ginger powder, some black pepper, and some chili as well to this spice. Just make it all tasty and nice. Like I said, it's based on your preference. Just use whatever works for you. At this point, my chicken was already cooked, so I shredded it a bit and I cut it up a bit into different pieces or into separate pieces so that it will be bite size. And I'm just going to be frying this alongside with my green pepper and with my onions and all the other ingredients for about 2 minutes. Everything is cooked, so don't take it too far, guys, so that you don't have overcooked food. And our spaghetti is 90% done at this point, and very simple and short, guys. Trust me, you can see it's very easy to do, right? So this is just the final bit. I'm just adding my cooked spaghetti and I am tossing it gently. Be very careful, you don't want to end up with soggy spaghetti. I'm adding some sesame oil and some dark soy sauce as well. I'm supposed to use light soy sauce, but just the day before, my 2-year-old toddler broke my light soy sauce. So I'm using my dark soy sauce just a little bit. I don't want it to go all the way dark. I want it to still be green, like I promised them. So this is the end of everything. Our food is ready. Just toss it there, here and there, very gently. You don't want your spaghetti to be all gummy, all mashed up together. So just try to be gentle. The first thing you have to do is don't overcook your spaghetti. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and please come back for more recipes that I have for you. Stay blessed, stay healthy. Bye, loves.